So we have here a hero1 object, a hero2 object. Let's go ahead and make a hero3 object. And what I'm going to show you how to do is how to create an array of objects. Okay, so I'm going to call this Bob. I'm going to give him an energy of 90 and an attack of 10. So now what I want to do is create an array of objects and store the hero1, the hero2, and the hero3 in them. How do I do that? Well, how do I create an array of ints? I say int bracket bracket arg is equal to the value, which is new int bracket bracket, and that's in this case say 3. Right? What is happening here? It's type bracket bracket name is equal to value. Same thing when we're creating an array that's going to store character objects. What's the type going to be? Not int, but character objects. Right? The variable's name, let's call it heroes. And on the right side, we're going to say new character bracket 3. Okay. So line 9 creates an empty array that's stored in the heroes variable of size 3. Now let's put values into the array. So let's say heroes bracket 0 is equal to hero1, the first object. And then I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this to do the 1 element and the 2 element. I'm going to store hero2 into the 1 element and hero3 into the 3 element. Now I want to go ahead and run the toString of all these values in the array. Well, how can I do that? Well, you know, arrays and for loops are best friends. So I'm going to create a for loop and say I is less than heroes.length and do an I++. And then I'm going to system.out.println heroes bracket I. Right. So when the first time this for loop iterates, it's going to run the toString of hero1. The second time the for loop iterates, it's going to run the toString of hero2. And then it's going to run the toString of hero3. Okay. So let's go ahead and run this and see if it actually works. Pile, run, and you can see, right, prints out the toString of the first object, the second object, and the third object.